This may not be found in the nature, means artificial sweeteners are not found in the nature. There is some products are available in nature on which some chemical synthesis or different processes are performed, and then artificial sweeteners are made available. Such sweeteners are relatively new and their uses are being researched and extended every day. Every day जे sweeteners न्यूज आहेत त्यांच्यावर रिसर्च केला जातो आणि त्यांचा जो यूज आहे तो एक्सटेंड होत आहे. They are used primarily sweetening compound in the future. ज्यांच्यावर रिसर्च होतोय ज्यांचा यूज एक्सटेंड आहे. Such sweeteners are used as a primary म्हणजे first sweetening agent म्हणून ते यूज केले जातात. Then some commonly used artificial sweeteners are listed below. Then mannitol, sorbitol, xylitol, sucralose, cyclamate, and saccharin and acetylflame. Okay, these are the artificial sweeteners. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number. Read the artificial sweetener.
These may be found in nature, means prepared by chemical synthesis. Such sweeteners are relatively new and their uses are being researched and extended every day. They are used as primary sweetening compound in future. Some commonly used artificial sweeteners are listed below: mannitol, sorbitol, xylitol, sucralose, cyclamate, and saccharin and acylfame.
Okay, this is about artificial sweetener. All of you understand types or classification of sweetener?
Yes,
Did you get classification of sweetener? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see first one by one sweetener जे आहेत ते study करायचे. In which first one is sucrose. Sucrose is soluble in the water and easily available in highly purified form. Pure form मध्ये तो available आहे आणि soluble water मध्ये आहे. It is physicochemically stable and pH at the pH is 4 to 8. कोणत्या pH ला stable आहे तो?
Physical.
pH range.
4 to 8.
It is frequently used in conjugation or combination with the sorbitol, glycerin and other polyols which reduce the tendency of sucrose to crystalline. The crystalline tendency आहे सुक्रोजची. ज्यावेळेस ते सॉर्बिटॉल, ग्लिसरीन आणि पॉलिओल्स यांच्या कॉम्बिनेशन मध्ये दिले जातात, कंजुगेशन कॉम्बिनेशन मध्ये दिले जातात, that then there will be reduce the tendency of crystalline, sucrose to crystalline. crystalline व्हायची जी टेंडन्सी आहे ती रिड्यूस होते. कोणत्या एजंट्स बरोबर दिल्यावर? It is frequently given with which agent? It is means sucrose. Sucrose is frequently used with
Sorbitol.
sorbitol, other polyols and glycerin. pH range where sucrose is physicochemically stable. काय आहे pH range?
4 to 8. 4 to 8.
It is either soluble in water, insoluble in water.
Soluble in water.
Soluble in water.
And also available in pure form or impure form.
Pure.
Highly purified form. Which sweetener is available in highly purified form?
Sucrose.
Then next, liquid glucose. Liquid glucose is also known as glucose syrup or confectioner glucose. This one also important for the MCQ. confectioner glucose is known as which sweetener?
Liquid
Liquid glucose. It's syrup made from the hydrolysis of the starch. It can be made from the potato, wheat, and less often from barley, rice, and cassava. Liquid glucose. Another term for liquid glucose are which terms?
Glucose syrup or
glucose syrup.
glucose.
Okay. So liquid glucose, it is also known as glucose syrup or confectioner glucose. And it is syrup made from hydrolysis of starch. Starch hydrolysis करून याची syrup prepare केली जाते. It can be also made from the potatoes, wheat, rice and cassava. Cassava, it is plant root. हे सगळे जे आहेत नॅचरल सोर्सेस पासून आहेत किंवा हर्बल प्लांट्स आहेत. जर तुम्ही गुगलवर सर्च केलं तर त्यांच्या इमेजेस बघितल्या तर समजेल तुम्हाला. ओके. राईस, पोटॅटोज, व्हीट हे माहिती आहे. जे माहित नाही त्याच्या इमेजेस सर्च करून बघा. And it is made from the potatoes, wheat, and less often from the barley, rice, and cassava. Then glucose syrup containing varying amount of glucose, maltose, and oligosaccharide, which is depending on the grade. Typically, it contains 10 to 43% of the glucose. म्हणजे liquid glucose typically glucose किती percent मध्ये असतं? 10 to 43%. In liquid glucose percentage is किती आहे percentage?
10 to 32.
10 to 43%. Typically, it contains 10 to 43% of the glucose. Which sweetener is known as confectioner glucose or glucose syrup?
Liquid
Glucose.
Then next, saccharin. It is an artificial, that is synthetic sweetener, which is almost 500 times sweet as a sugar, but gives better taste after the test. सॅकॅरिन हा एक आर्टिफिशियल प्रिपेअर केलेला स्वीटनर आहे आणि तो 500 टाइम्स स्वीट आहे ॲज अ शुगर. ऑलमोस्ट 500 टाइम्स स्वीट ॲज अ दॅन शुगर अँड इट गिव्स बिटर टेस्ट आफ्टर द टेस्ट. म्हणजे टेस्ट केल्यानंतर तो कोणती टेस्ट देतो?
Bitter.
bitter taste.
Okay, this one also asked for MCQ. Which sweetener is give better taste after their taste?
Saccharin.
Then it is available as a saccharin sodium and saccharin calcium. कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये अवेलेबल आहे?
Saccharin sodium.
Calcium.
Its main limitation is its carcinogenic property, which makes it secondary choice. म्हणजे जे नावडेज आर्टिफिशियल मध्ये जसं बघितलं ज्याचे एक्सटेंडेड यूज आहेत रिसर्च केले जातात, दे आर यूज ॲज अ प्रायमरी स्वीटनिंग एजंट. बट सॅकॅरिन जो आहे त्याला कार्सिनोजेनिक प्रॉपर्टी असते. कार्सिनोजेनिक मीन्स एनी आयडिया?
No, ma'am.
Cancerous property, and because of this it is which makes secondary choice. Cancerous means they are affected abnormality characteristic of cancer, and because of this they are It makes secondary choice used as a sweetening agent. They are available in which two forms? Saccharin is available in which form?
Saccharin, sodium and saccharin, calcium.
समजलं सॅकॅरिन?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
समजलंय?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next, cyclamate. Roll number 41. 41, are you present? 40. Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 41. Read the next sweetener. Cyclamate.
Sodium cyclamate. Sodium cyclamate is an artificial sweetener 30 to 15 times sweetener than sucrose. It is often used with saccharin in a ratio of 10:1 to makes the of testers of both sweeteners. It is cheaper than most sweeteners, including
It is cheaper
sucralose, and is cheaper than most sweeteners in sucralose and is stable under heating. Now, ma'am, काय आहे तो word?
Now being a cancerogenic,
Ma'am?
it has been banned. So next sweetener is cyclamate, in which sodium cyclamate. It is an artificial sweetener. हा artificial sweetener आहे, and 30 to 50 times it is sweeter than sucrose. This one also asked for MCQ. How many times cyclamate is sweeter than sucrose?
30.
How many times?
13 to 50.
30 to 50 times it is sweeter than the sucrose. It is often used with the saccharin. The previous sweetener बघितला आपण saccharin. It is often used with saccharin. Saccharin बरोबर तो use केला जातो. In the ratio. Ratio is also asked for MCQ. What is ratio?
10:1.
Mask of taste of both sweeteners. म्हणजे cyclamate, saccharin काय म्हणलेलं आपण? It gives bitter taste after the test. Test केल्यानंतर कशी टेस्ट असणार आहे सॅकॅरिनची?
Bitter.
So it is cyclamate or sodium cyclamate is given with the saccharin to off test. ती जी off test आहे त्याची, तर ती मास्क करण्यासाठी they are given with the combination and their ratio will be 10:1. It is cheaper. Cheapचं meaning माहिती आहे?
Yes, ma'am.
Low quality.
So cheaper than the low cost मध्ये असतं. Cheaper than the most sweeteners. जे other sweeteners आहेत त्याच्यापेक्षा cyclamate हा cheaper rate मध्ये असतो, including sucralose and stable under heating. Cyclamate हा heating ज्यावेळेस त्याला provide केली जाईल त्यावेळेस तो stable असतो. It is cheaper than the most of the sweetener including sucralose and stable under the heating. Now being carcinogenic, it has been banned. तर याची कार्सिनोजेनिक म्हणजे कॅन्सरस प्रॉपर्टी दाखवत असल्यामुळं तो बॅन केलेला आहे. मीन्स इट इज नॉट युज्ड नावडेज. समजलाय? सायक्लामेट
Yes,
और सोडियम सायक्लामेट आणि सायक्लामेट both are same. It is an artificial sweetener. Also their molecular formula is C6H12NaO3S. Then next sweetener is aspartame. It is methyl ester of aspartic acid and phenylalanine. Means composition of aspartame चे दिलेलं आहे की हे काय मिथाइल इस्टर्स आहेत aspartic acid चे आणि phenylalanine चे. It is hygroscopic in nature. What is hygroscopic? Do you know hygroscopic?
No, ma'am.
Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
केमिस्ट्री मध्ये हायग्रोस्कोपिक झालं असेल. मग आता प्रिव्हियस पॉइंट मध्ये पण सांगितलेलं हायग्रोस्कोपिक मीन्स these are the substances they absorb the moisture from the air. Okay, thus has the less stability in presence of moisture. Moisture मध्ये त्यांची stability ही less असते because they are hygroscopic in nature. It is methyl ester of aspartic acid and phenylalanine. It is hygroscopic in nature and thus having the less stability in presence of the moisture. कोणता स्वीटनर बघितला आपण हा? ओके, प्रीवियस स्वीटनर कोणता होता?
Cyclamet.
Another name for cyclamate. Starting होतो.
Sodium.
Sodium cyclamate.
Sodium cyclamate. Then next one is sucralose. It is non-nutritive and non-caloric sweetener. Sucralose is which type of the sweetener?
Non-nutritive, non-caloric.
It is about 320 to 1000 times sweeter than sucrose. It is also an important point. How many times sweeter than sucrose?
30.
It is 320 to 1000 times sweeter than sucrose and twice म्हणजे 2 वेळा sweeter than saccharin. Saccharin पेक्षा twice a time saccharin. For the saccharin, it is twice times sweeter than the saccharin, and for the sucrose, it is 320 to 1000 times sweeter than sucrose, and 3 times sweeter than aspartame. 3 times sweeter than which sweetener?
Aspartame.
Twice time or twice, and for 320 to 1000 times. Second point, it is also important one. It is stable under heat and over broad range of pH condition. जे pH ची जी broad range आहे त्या कंडिशनला आणि under the heat हे काय असतात stable असतात. Thus it is used for the product that require longer shelf life. म्हणजे जे प्रोडक्ट आहे shelf life म्हणजे काय आहे की जे फार्मास्युटिकल डोसेज फॉर्म आहे त्याचा जोपर्यंत यूज करण्यासाठी जोपर्यंत सुटेबल आहे तोपर्यंत स्टोअर करणं, तो जो टाइम पिरियड आहे दॅट इज शेल्फ लाईफ. आणि हा सुक्रालोज जो आहे तो ब्रॉड रेंज ऑफ पीएच, पीएच ची जरी ब्रॉड रेंज असेल तरी त्या कंडिशनला तो स्टेबल आहे आणि हीटच्या अंडर पण तो स्टेबल आहे. दॅट्स वाय sucralose is used for the product which is required for longer shelf life. ज्या प्रोडक्टची लॉंगर शेल्फ लाईफ आहे त्या प्रोडक्ट मध्ये हे यूज केले जातात. समजतंय हा पॉइंट? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next sweetener allitame. Molecular formula C14H25N3O3. It is aspartic acid containing dipeptide sweetener. म्हणजे त्याचं केमिकली कंपोजिशन सांगितलेलं आहे. Alitamate सेम इथं पण सांगितले. It is methyl ester of aspartic acid. दोघांमध्ये कन्फ्युजन करायचं नाही. aspartamate मध्ये aspartamate it is methyl ester of aspartic acid and allitame it is aspartic acid containing dipeptide sweetener. Then sweetener potency is 200 times greater than which sweetener?
Sucrose.
Sweetener potency is 200 times greater than sucrose. Then next, हे 3 पॉइंट समजले. फर्स्ट मध्ये मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला, सेकंड मध्ये त्याचं केमिकली म्हणजे aspartic acid containing dipeptide sweetener आहे आणि sweetener potency 200 times greater than sucrose. समजले 3 पॉइंट्स.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then second last sweetener is sodium cyclamate. Molecular formula C6H12 and NaO3S. It is 30 to 50 times sweeter than sucrose. It is less expensive and it is stable under heat. Sodium cyclamate is stable under heat. It is less expensive. Just expensive nahi. And how many times sweeter than sucrose?
30 to 50 times.
50 to 50 times.
And their molecular formula
C6
C6H12O3S.
last sweetening agent is neotame. It is 8,000 times sweeter than sucrose. How many times?
8,000
1000
times.
It is low calorie artificial sweetener. High calorie or low calorie?
calorie.
Then its molecular formula C20H3 and 2O5. Then it is used in soft drinks, cakes, beverages and powders. Beverages माहिती आहे?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Water soda,
No,
other
ma'am.
soft drinks असतात. They are also termed as beverages. Drinks तरी माहित असतील.
Yes, ma'am.
They are also beverages are also soft drinks. Neotame, how many times sweeter than sucrose?
8,000
times.
Okay. Neotame is natural or artificial sweetener.
artificial sweetener.
Sweetener.
I mean high calories or low calories.
Calories.
It is used in which preparations?
Soft
After drink.
Then its molecular formula
C20H3 and 205.
Okay, this is about sweetening agent. In sweetener, we study firstly why the sweeteners are used, then their properties, after that their classification, then this chart in which sweetness level of the sweetener in classification, nutritive, non-nutritive and artificial sweetener, then one by one study of this sweetening agent. First one sucrose, liquid glucose, सॅकॅरिन. इन शॉर्ट त्याच्या प्रॉपर्टीज आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये बघितले. सायक्लामेट, सोडियम सायक्लामेट, ऍस्पार्टेम, सुक्रॅलोज, ॲलिटेम, सोडियम सायक्लामेट and neotame. This is all about sweetening agent. Here we complete organoleptic agent in which colorant in previous lecture, in today's lecture flavoring agent and sweetening agent. Any doubt related to flavoring agent, sweetening agent or colorant?
No, ma'am.